I heard for the first time the CyberKnife System here in Vicenza in 2004, and I was a student in medicine. And I knew about Colombo and the CyberKnife System here, and I was fascinated. I was very interested in it. So when I was graduated and I start my experience of like a resident neurosurgeon, I asked and I stressed my chief professor, Professor Dovella. I stressed him very much to ask him to come here in Vicenza to observe and to learn about the CyberKnife System by Colombo. And at the end of the 2011, my professor said, "Okay, Zeno, go to Vicenza. Please go to Vicenza." And at the beginning of the 2012, I was here in Vicenza, so it's 11 years that I'm here to use the CyberKnife.